Shaved ice! Shaved ice! Shaved ice for life. We got red, we don't mind my call upon you. Bam! Shaved ice for life. We got red, we don't mind my What's the special color? I don't know.
Hey kiddos, it's me, TK, and I'm here in the studio with little TK. And today we decided to do a part 2 video to our shaved ice video that we did before. We're actually inside the studio. Before we were outside, but today it's raining. So little TK thought that it would be a good idea to just stay inside and make shaved ice for all the kiddos in YouTube land, and Doremi Learning Antics YouTube land, right? Yeah. So today we're gonna give you what you need for this yummy, delicious summer treat. Okay? So let's do it together, okay? Okay? Are you ready? Let's go. Hey kiddos, little TK wanted to sit in the front, so it's okay. You can sit in the front. So these are what you're all gonna need to make this yummy, delicious summer treat. You're gonna need ice. A big old bag of ice, okay? You're gonna need a bowl, a nice bowl, to put all the shaved ice inside. You're going to need your favorite flavor, okay? Today we're using strawberry, and we're using blue, which is blue Hawaii. Yummy. And, I'm sorry, little TK, sorry. You're going to need the shaved ice maker. Now, I purchased this actually right here in Japan at a shop, a really big shop, but you can go anywhere in Japan and get one. You can order one online, all over. You can get a nice machine like this to make your shaved ice. Now, No, we only have these 2 flavors. Huh? Oh. Little TK just asked me what my favorite flavor was. My favorite flavor is actually purple. Like, I like grape, but we don't have, we only have the blue and we have red. I don't know if we can we even get a purple flavor? Can we even get a grape flavor, little TK? Really? Where? But where do you want to, okay. Little TK says to put him down right here. Okay. TK! Little TK! What? Little TK has purple! How did you do that? We have now purple, grape flavor ice candy. Thank you, little TK. Give me a nice, you are so nice. Thank you. Wow. So kiddos, now we have 3 flavors of ice candy. Let's go over those flavors together. Strawberry, blue Hawaii, and grape. Purple flavor. TK's special flavor. Wow. Wow. I really want you to try this, kiddos. I think it's going to taste yummy. I'm so excited to see how yummy this is going to be, okay? So we're going to say bye-bye to TK, little TK, so we can use the ice candy maker, okay? Maybe later little TK can come back and say goodbye to everybody, okay? All right? See you, little TK. You want to jump off? 3, 2, 1, yoo! Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to make this yummy, yummy ice candy. Okay, so I'm gonna remove my gloves because I don't want them to get stained by any of the colors by accident. So now I have my regular hands, okay? So I'm going to make actually a purple one, if you don't mind. I would like to really try and see how yummy the grape ice candy or shaved ice is going to taste. Okay, So I have scissors. Make sure you ask mommy and daddy to use scissors. Okay. I'm going to cut the ice open like this. Easy peasy. Nothing hard. Boop. Okay. I'm going to take our shaved ice maker and I'll put it right here in the middle. Right here in the middle. Right here in the middle. Okay. Right in front of TK. And I'm going to take the shaved ice maker and put it right here. Okay. So now the blade is right even with the bowl. Now, what I'm going to do now is open the top. Ta-da! As you can see, there's a blade. And the blade's inside. And I'm going to take a few pieces of ice. I'm just going to pour it in. Just a few. Don't overcrowd, because then the ice won't break down. Okay? First round. Okay? Wow. Woo. Put it down. I think I put too much in here. I put too much, I think. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Wait. Oh no. Let's see. Okay. Maybe I put too much ice. Wow. Use your muscles to close the lid. Oh, can you see? Kiddos, can you see? Yay! Whoa! Look at the shade. Look at the ice at the bottom. Whoa! Keep going. Get it all in there. Wow! There's so much. So much. Keep going. Wow! There's so much ice. So much shaved ice. Get it all in there. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to move the ice over a little bit. Wow, there's so much, kiddos. Okay. Okay. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Purple. Okay, I'm gonna move this up to the camera so you can see. Are you ready? Wow! Wow! Kind of a dark purple. That's okay, let's try it. Let's try. So yummy! Super, super yummy. So kiddo, so cool. Okay, kiddos, so one more time. This is all you need to make yummy, yummy shaved ice. Ice cubes, the ice maker, or not the ice maker, shaved ice maker, very important, you need this, and your favorite flavor, me and little TK's favorite flavor, purple, grape, right? Yay! So that's all you need, kiddos, to make yummy, yummy, yummy. Can I have one more bite? You want to try? You want to try? Okay. Here you are. Oh. Yummy! One more for TK. And again, I'm sorry for eating in front of you like this, but it's so good. It's so good. It's so yummy. I really want you to try this flavor. The flavor is right here. TK's Yummy Yummy Grape. TK's Yummy Yummy Grape flavor. So we have, what is this one? Good, strawberry. What is this one? Blue Hawaii, good. And this one is TK's Yummy Yummy Grape. That's right, that's right. Good job, kiddos. All right, let's take one more bite. so delicious. Wow. Okay, one more time. I still have ice, kiddos. I can't talk because the ice is so cold. It's so cold. I still have ice, so let's make a little bit more. Okay, ready? Let's make a little bit more. Go. Sorry. Say 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes. 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 I don't know. This is the fun part for me. I like this. Eating the shaved ice is fun, but cranking this machine is so much fun. And watching all the ice just break down into like shaved ice, it's so exciting to see. It's really, really fun. I really hope that you try this. And I hope that you ask your mommy and daddy to buy one of these really cool shaved ice machines, and you make shaved ice at home with your brothers and your sisters and your friends and your family. Okay? Wow. Wow. Okay, kiddos. Now, what flavor do you think I should put on top of this? Red? Strawberry? Blue? Hawaii? Or more of TK's yummy, 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 yummy grape? Which one? Oh, okay, okay. Blue Hawaii? Okay, I like Blue Hawaii. All right, let's show you. Okay, we'll show you. Here we go. Yay! Wow. Okay, let's try this one. I'm sure this is gonna taste delicious because yes, #1 flavor for me is grape. It's number one. It's number one. But number 2 is definitely Blue Hawaii. Let's try. I love Blue Hawaii. Yeah. Blue Hawaii is delicious. You want to try? Okay. Here you are. Yummy. Okay, kiddos, thank you so much for watching this part 2 shaved ice video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I do. I always hope that you enjoy all the videos that Doremi Learning Antics makes and creates just for you because we love you and we want to have fun making videos for you. Again, please go out and buy yourself a nice shaved ice maker, lots of flavors, and have fun with your friends and family and make yummy shaved ice and just sit around and laugh and talk about your fun day and everything, okay? Even if it's raining outside like it was today, it's always sunny inside, isn't it, with smiles, okay? Always smile, okay? So, again, you know, I'm really excited about all of our announcements that are coming your way. The Ants Go Marching One by One music video that is going into production next month. We're so very excited about that. And we're so excited about bringing that music video to you. Our concerts that are here in Japan and Osaka, our Osaka tours that are coming up in the future. We're so excited to bring so many Doremi Learning Antics fun things your way, okay? Please continue to subscribe to Doremi Learning Antics channel and tell everyone about our channel. Just a few days ago, I put up we made a really fun video about how we have now 5,000 subscribers worldwide. That is too exciting for us. We are very excited. We hope that we continue to grow with your support, okay? Your support, the only way we ask for your support is just telling people. Talk to your friends. Tell everyone you know about this channel. That's all we want you to do is just talk. Tell everyone to come on over to Doremi Learning Antics and have fun with us, okay? We love you, and we will see you in the next video. Again, enjoy. Oh, I can't pick it up. I can't pick it up. Enjoy your ice candy or shaved ice. And we'll see you next video, okay?